supercars, custom suits, private jets. If you live the luxury lifestyle, why would you settle for a basic home? Well, Aston Martin just revealed a townhouse in Tokyo that might be the most luxurious thing they've ever built. And it's not even on wheels. Aston Martin has officially entered the real estate world in Asia with their first private residence in Japan. Number 001 Minami Aoyama. Located in the heart of Tokyo's Omotesandō neighborhood, think the Rodeo Drive of Japan. It's 3 stories of pure opulence designed in collaboration with developer Vibroa. So, is this just branding, or is it actually Aston through and through? Turns out, the carmaker didn't just slap a badge on it. Chief Creative Officer Marek Reichman says Aston's design DNA runs deep. From the custom metal louvers on the front facade to the proportion, material craft, and layout inside. Inside, you'll find everything you'd expect from a billionaire's wish list. 3 en-suite bedrooms, a private spa, a full gym, a dedicated golf simulator, a wine cellar, and yes, 2 Aston Martins parked in the garage. The house also features Bowers & Wilkins audio like in their cars, custom Aston Martin cabinetry, and bespoke furniture made just for this home. As for the price, Aston hasn't listed it publicly, but let's be real, if you have to ask, you're probably not the buyer. So why Tokyo, and why Omotesandō? It's one of the most exclusive districts in the city, famous for high-end fashion, designer architecture, and discreet wealth. This isn't just about luxury, it's about being seen in the right place. Believe it or not, this isn't Aston Martin's first property. They've already done luxury residences in Miami and Ras Al Khaimah. And this Tokyo project is the latest signal that Aston Martin is going global. Not just with cars, but with architecture. Is it just a fancy home, or do you actually get extras? While the brand hasn't officially confirmed perks, other Aston residences have included invitations to Aston Martin events, concierge car delivery, priority access to limited edition vehicles. It wouldn't be surprising if buyers of this Tokyo property get similar ultra-exclusive treatment. Aston Martin is proving that luxury doesn't end at the garage. From handcrafted furniture to sculpted facades, number 001 Minami Aoyama is as much about lifestyle as it is design. But what do you think? Is this kind of branding genius or just marketing fluff? Would you live in an Aston Martin home? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more car culture, luxury design, and next-level news.